I was born into the bridal industry, raised in my family's bridal salon. My father is one of the most sought-after bespoke bridal gown designers in Los Angeles. Being a bridal expert, I have styled thousands of brides and have answered infinite questions about bridal beauty, fashion, vendors, lifestyle. And now, I'm going to introduce you to the best in the industry. I'm here to help you with all your questions for this significant milestone in your life. I've teamed up with Enzoani, one of the world's leading bridal fashion houses that can be found in over 60 countries, as their brand ambassador. I'm Arsine Edjhuryan, and this is Real Bride.
Hi everyone, so we're here in Taipei with KC, the designer of the Enzoani collection, and we have a treat for you. We have a little sneak peek of the 2019 collection. KC, can you tell us a little bit about this dress?
Okay, this time we try a little bit like a 3D flower uppercut, but you can see it's a little bit different. When you look at it, it's kind of like a flower, but it's also kind of like a feather. It's very soft. I have those kind of movement. It's not just like a flower uppercut on the body.
It's so beautiful. I've never seen this before. So I love that you're always moving forward, always creating new designs. I love this gown. So stay tuned and we're going to be showing you a few more sneak peeks. Okay, KC, so can you tell us a little bit about this dress?
Okay, about this dress, we look back to our like Oga collection. It's been selling very well, so I think that kind of should last very perfect for our modern bride. So this season we bring it out again. It's a different kind of lace uppercut, but you can see it's not just lace uppercut. It's more like we use a whole piece of lace to cut it, and then place different kind of lace to make a little bit like a 3D dimension of it. So you can see very soft. Yeah.
And this is crepe, so it's very comfortable.
Yeah, it's a stretch crepe, and also underneath the lining is to stretch. So it's easy to fit in, but I still feel very light.
So it looks very couture, but it's super comfortable.
Yes.
I love it. Good job.
Thank you.
Okay, KC, so tell us a little about this dress.
I think it's from last season, the Mercedes dress, the long drama train. It's become our kind of signature now. So this season, I still bring it back, but I update a little bit. So this time, we play different kind of layers. So you can see the underneath have those kind of like a glitter or shimmer fabric underneath. It still gives it very light, very low maintenance look, but dramatic.
I love this gown. This is my personal favorite from the entire 2019 collection, and I agree. So last year, one of our most popular gowns was the Mercedes gown, and this is the glitter drama version of it. So glitter has made a huge comeback in the past year in bridal, I believe. So I think this is the perfect combination, because I've been seeing the glitter on a lot of ball gowns, but not really on these long mermaid trains. So I think you're the first one to do it.
Thank you.
I love it. It's amazing.
Let's have a great year to come.
Yay!